Hi, guys. It's time for writing workshop. So, today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to teach you there are some ways that you can push your thinking to help you come up with the long writing that we were working kind of hard on yesterday. I don't know if you noticed, but some of you kind of had a hard time writing long and generating ideas and coming up with examples and stories and making the comparisons. So, I wanted to do you a favor and help you out. Today, I want to teach you that some of the ways that we can help ourselves write long in an essay, coming up with reason and examples, is by pushing our thinking. And sometimes it just helps if we have what are called sentence starters. So on the screen, you see today several sentence starters that you can use to help you write long and to come up with lots of reasons why you have an opinion about whatever it is you're writing. So, for an example, let's take a look. So, ways to push our thinking. We have I see to add on. In other words, that is, the important thing about this is, as I write, I'm thinking, or this gives me an idea that, okay, so this is what's going to happen. I'm going to pull this out and do a little this. And now I'm going to minimize this one so that we can see it all. Make that go away. Close all tabs. Surprise. And what you see in front of you, there we go. I have two, I said I have two screens up. Just a second, I tell you. And the first one is us over here, ways to push our thinking. And the second one is the one that I'm going to be writing on. So, we discussed that the second reason why I love ice cream is because there are so many flavors. Now I'm thinking that I need to use one of my ways to push our thinking. And I'm thinking about, you remember, I told Miss K's class the story about eating ice cream with my dad at the Love Boat every night while I was at my Gigi's. But I didn't tell the rest of you. So watch this. So it reminded me of this time when I went to my Gigi's house, and across the street was this amazing ice cream shop. And they had all these wonderful flavors. And so guess what? Just thinking about all of these ice cream flavors that I'm thinking about is making me think about this sentence starter right here. As I write this, I'm thinking. And so there we go. As I write this, I'm thinking of the time my dad and I ate ice cream every night we visited my Gigi. Now, I got to get back to that whole flavor thing, right? So, ice cream shop had so many flavors. Every night I should say we. And remember, we're not supposed to cross off. So every night we, now my computer is going to tell me it's wrong, but don't worry. Well, maybe it won't. Every night we tried a new flavor. I stuck to trying a new flavor. Remember, I can't fix that because if I was writing in pen, I would have made that mistake and I can't go back and cross it out. A new flavor. I can write the word again. There you go. I stuck to trying a new flavor, period. A new flavor with nuts. I had the best dark chocolate caramel and cashew ice cream there ever was. Oh, you see, I've got some spelling mistakes. It happens, but because we made the promise that we're not going to scratch off or erase, because, well, we have pens now, I'm not going to go back and fix it even on my document. You are not writing in Google Docs today. You will be writing in your notebook. So that's what I'm trying to show you. Ladies and gentlemen, today I've taught you that there are many ways that you can help yourself push your thinking in writing workshop. Today, and every day, you can use these sentence starters to help you write long, come up with lots of examples, to compare and to possibly contrast, and to continue making it the best essay you've ever made. So, ladies and gentlemen,